So, bunch of hammer and dollying. Had to cut a slot in it, but we're getting there. It's lining up pretty decent. You can see how crooked they cut it. That's the way it wants to line up. That's how much of a notch I had to cut into it because it was made wrong. So I'll have to fill that in. Bend up a little piece of sheet metal and fit that. But now I got that all fitted pretty good. It's all fit in there pretty good. So that was a good amount of work. Trying to get that flat like the rest of the rocker. See if we can get a comparison here to my other one. So you can see how different that actually is. That's how far off these ones are. But we got one done. So now we just gotta get the other one done. Now you can kind of see a little bit here. This ain't too good. But yeah, so bend up a little piece of sheet metal, get that all welded in, ground smooth, and then off to the next one.